Pocatello has 2 taxi services, Yellow Cab and All the Rest. Call 237-TAXI. Yellow Cab is locally owned by Charles Potter, an Army vet born right here in Pocatello. It is by far the most versatile cab company in Pocatello and truly caters to the community. Yellow Cab is the only cab company that offers free cab rides on 12 major holidays in an effort to eliminate DUIs, which they've been successful in doing with the help of responsible citizens. Whether you need a ride to your doctor's appointment, desire to win big at Fort Hall Casino, or maybe you just want to take advantage of our local airport, or you just plain feel like getting a ride in the wintry weather, Yellow Cab will get you where you need to go with quick, dependable, clean, and affordable service. Just remember 237-TAXI. Speaking of convenience, Yellow Cab can now deliver almost anything you need, such as breakfast from Denny's, important documents, groceries, or even auto part orders. Yellow Cab is here for you 24/7. So just give them a call at 237-TAXI.